Hi besties, welcome back to another video. Today we are making some cake bread. First we are going to need all-purpose flour, bread flour or hard flour, and we want to sieve this to chop all the foreign materials that comes with the flour, just as you see in this video. Now let's mix this very well, and then we go in with some baking soda, also yeast and sugar. Okay, you add salt if your margarine or your butter you are going to use is not salted. Okay, you can add salt, but if it has salt in it, then you do not have to add any salt because it's going to make it more salty. Okay, your bread wouldn't taste nice. And if you love a lot of sugar in your bread as well, you can just go ahead and add some more sugar to it, just to suit your preference. Okay, if you want a lot of margarine, okay, you can add a lot of it. Some of these things are mostly done just to suit your preference, and especially when you are adding sugar and the rest. Okay, now we added some butter, vanilla, and then milk. Okay, we are just going to use the hand mixer, the electric mixer, to just do this, and we mix it to form a good dough. Now we just have to transfer this onto a flat surface where we are going to knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you can as well use your machine to do all of this, but I just didn't want it to be too soft. Okay, so I just decided to do it this way. But if you have the machine, just go ahead and then use it. Okay, yes. Now we will just set this aside in a warm place, and then we put some butter in our baking pan. Yes, and now after a few hours, it's doubled in size, and let's just take some air out of this, and then we transfer this onto a work surface again. Just cut it into the shapes and sizes you want, and then you go ahead to mold it to what you want. Okay, yes, this you can mold it to any style you prefer. You don't have to get a perfect shape or anything, but just try your best to make it look a bit okay for you. Yes, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for watching to this very stage. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome, and please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Yes, and if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments. If you are a returning subscriber, you are once again welcome, and thank you so much for always coming back to support this channel. Yeah, now that we are doing this, we just have to mold it like I said earlier. Just give it any shape or size as you prefer. Okay, you can So we will repeat this until we finish with all the dough we have. Okay, we want to just repeat this to just finish all the dough, and then we transfer this into a baking pan. First, we want to add some flour again to the baking pan so our bread don't get stuck into the pan. Yes, and like always, all the measurements and the details will be in the description, so do not forget to check the description for all the details you would need to do this. Okay, yes, so this is what we have here. We are just going to cover this and also for some minutes, and then we'll leave it to rise. After that, we just get back and then put some margarine on it, and then we transfer this into the oven. Everything will be in the description, so you want to read the description to get all the details you will need to do this. If you have anything you want me to make video on, do not forget to comment that, and then I will try my best to just give you that. Okay, let's just spread some margarine to give it this shiny outcome, and then our bread is now ready to be served. I hope this video helps. I will see you on the next one. Bye.